Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we will explore the unique features of the WonderWash portable washing machine and the mini portable washing machine. Both are designed for small spaces, but they offer different functionalities and benefits. Let's dive into the details. The WonderWash operates manually, making it an eco-friendly choice that doesn't require electricity. In contrast, the mini portable washing machine is electric, offering a more convenient washing experience with automated features. This difference in power source can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially in areas without easy access to power. While the WonderWash is a simple, manual washer without a spin cycle, the mini portable washing machine includes a spin feature that helps reduce drying times. This added convenience can be a game changer for those who want to speed up their laundry process, especially when traveling or in small living spaces. The WonderWash comes with a generous 3-year warranty, reflecting its durability and the manufacturer's confidence in the product. On the other hand, the mini portable washing machine offers a much shorter warranty of just 30 days, which may raise concerns for potential buyers regarding its long-term reliability. In conclusion, both the WonderWash and the mini portable washing machine have their unique advantages. The WonderWash is perfect for those who prefer a manual, eco-friendly option, while the Mini offers convenience with its electric operation and spin cycle. Consider your personal needs and preferences when choosing the right portable washing machine for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.